Hi students, good evening everybody. Let us continue the problems of exercise 13.1 topic limits. 26th question, first bit. Let f be a function defined by f of x equal to mod x by x if x not equal to 0, 0 if x equal to 0. Then what should you check here? Does limit x tends to 0 f of x exist or not? Let f be a function defined by f of x equal to mod x by x when x not equal to 0, 0 if x equal to 0. So what should you check here? Whether limit x tends to 0 f of x exists or not, we should check. So for doing that, given what is given here, f of x equal to mod x by x if x not equal to 0, 0 if x equal to 0. Okay, so for doing that I must check LHL first. So at x equal to 0 I should check LHL means 0 minus f of x. We have to approach 0 from left side. So limit x tends to 0 minus f of x. 0 minus means already I told you limit not equal to 0 only, no, 0 minus means, so which one we should take now? 0 minus f of x means mod x by x only we should take. Because x not equal to 0, x not equal to 0, 0 minus means below 0. Below 0 means it is not 0, below 0, x less than 0. So I should take this. If x less than 0, by the way, do you have idea about modulus function? Mod x equal to x, if x is greater than or equal to 0, 0 if x equal to minus x if x less than 0. That is the modulus function definition. Mod x equal to x if x more than 0 or equal to 0. Minus x we will write if x is less than 0. If x less than 0, mod x value how much? Minus x. Negative. Negative means we will get minus x. So x. Since if x less than 0, mod x value how much? Minus x. Okay. So x gets cancelled. We will get minus 1. So directly limiting value we can write minus 1 because there is no x in the function, right? So RHL we will see now. RHL limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. Limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. Limit x tends to 0 plus 0 plus means above 0. Above 0 means that same function will come because it is not equal to 0. Above 0 means not 0, right? So if it is above 0 means x greater than 0, mod x value plus x only. If x is positive, mod x value x. If x is negative, mod x value minus x. Listen carefully there. Okay, so it is above 0. Above 0 means x is positive. So mod x value we will get x only by x. Cancel, we will get 1. Clearly LHL is not equal to RHL, right? So LHL not equal to RHL. Therefore limit x tends to 0, f of x doesn't exist. Clear? So here you should understand the modulus function. Mod x value plus x we will write if x is positive or equal to 0, minus x if x is less than 0. So in the case of LHL, 0 minus means x less than 0. X less than 0 means mod x value minus x. So minus x by x cancelled minus 1. f of x value, if x is more than 0, mod x equal to x, x cancel, we will get 1. So LHL is not equal to RHL. That's why limit x tends to 0, f of x does not exist. Hope it is clear. Thank you.